Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I am so excited for this video. Right now, as you're watching this, I am on a flight out to Iceland, which is crazy. So today I'm doing a pack with me video so you guys can see me pack for my trip, see what I'm taking, and see what I use to get all my stuff there. Now, even though this trip is 7 days long, I'm only going to be using 2 items to take all of my stuff to Iceland with me. I'm taking a really cool backpack and also this awesome duffel bag, and I know it just sounds like a duffel bag. No, it's cool. It's basically like a traveling closet. Like, no joke. They're both by the brand Eco Gear. I feel so honored and so blessed that they chose me to go on this trip to really try out their stuff, like in real life, on a real adventure, and it's just a huge, huge honor, and I'm just so very, very grateful. So thank you to Eco Gear for bringing me along on this amazing trip to Iceland. So if you guys are ready, let's get packing. So the duffel bag I'm going to be taking on this trip is unlike any other duffel bag. This is the Eco Gear rolling duffel bag, and it is amazing for travel because it actually turns into a mini closet. I'm going to show you guys how that works, but let me give you a good look at the bag. It is so big. There is so much room in here. I love that it has 2 layers for your clothes. You can separate like different clothes, different shoes, accessories. It has so much room, so many compartments, not to mention it does roll, so you can take it easily throughout the airport. You can actually also get the top of the bag embroidered with your name on it, which is pretty cool. I'm definitely going to do that. But let me show you guys the coolest part of it. This is how you create your little mini closet. The bag comes with these sets of poles that you hook up within your duffel. It is so easy. It took me less than a minute to put this together. All you do is take 2 of the poles, attach them to the units on the side of the duffel bag on the inside, and then you place the top bar between the 2 you just set up. Everything hooks together really, really fast, and you can adjust the height of your rack. If you want it shorter, if you want it taller, and it's literally a closet. I love this feature. This is going to be so easy for you no matter where you are. So to start packing, I'm of course going to start with clothes. Now, Iceland is a little chilly right now. I decided to pack mostly sweaters, which seems so silly to me. I don't know, I've just never gone to another place where it's cold right now, but I'm really excited. So I'm just laying out all the sweaters that I know that I want to take on the trip, and then I just start rolling them up. I find that this saves room in my luggage when I just roll everything up instead of laying them out or instead of folding them. And then it's really easy to find everything when I get to my hotel, and I can hang it up in my little duffel bag. Then of course I want to take some t-shirts, some going out shirts, just some different outfits to wear around town. We're actually going to be doing a ton of outdoor activities, so I really wasn't packing anything too flashy for this trip. And then I need to add some pants. So I'm not taking as many pants as I am shirts, which sounds silly, but when I travel, I like to reuse my items. So I took a few pairs of leggings, a few pairs of jeggings, 1 pair of jeans, and the rest are just leggings, like I said, and active wear, because we're going to be doing a lot of hiking. We're going to be doing some tours, just exploring Iceland and all it has to offer. And so I really don't feel like I need to be going looking super cute or super put together. I want it to be just comfortable. Once I have all my clothes rolled up, I zip that bottom compartment closed, and now I still have this whole top layer to put the rest of my items in. First, starting with my shoes. So like I said, we're actually going hiking. We're going glacier hiking, which is crazy. So I picked up these hiking boots from Amazon, and I of course need to take those. Then I wanted to also bring some different shoes to switch into, like I said, if we go out to dinner or for just, you know, going out casually. I'm also bringing some more casual jackets to wear. Now I'm going to be wearing a snow jacket to the airport because it is quite cool in Iceland, like I said. So I'm not going to be throwing that in my bag, but I do want to take just random casual jackets. And then I of course need my products. I love to throw all my products in bags like this so everything is super organized. I use my Kylie Jenner bag for my makeup because I love the bag and it's very spacious. Then I also take 1 bag for hair care and skincare. I have a bunch of travel size items, and then I need a makeup brush bag. Of course, anything brush related goes in this little unicorn bag. And then lastly, for jewelry, I always use these little bags here. So one is just a wristlet. It's super cute. It keeps all my bracelets and earrings organized. And then in the next bag, it's just one of those clear mesh bags you get a lot with jewelry. That's what I keep my longer necklaces in. We're also going to be going to the Blue Lagoon, which is so exciting, so I could not forget my swimsuit. And we cannot forget hair tools. So I have a curling iron, actually 2 curling irons, a flat iron, and then also my hair brushes. So I'm slipping those straight into the little zip pocket that comes in the duffel bag. It is super convenient to just hold everything up there, so it's going to keep it out of the way and organized. And then I just kind of throw my hair brushes in there. there as well. So that is pretty much all I'm taking in my suitcase to Iceland. I'm obsessed with this duffel though. It does have a telescope handle like any other suitcase you would be taking. It does have wheels on the bottom for a smooth transport. It's collapsible so you can store it very easily when you're not using it. And I love that there's a clear pocket on the side of it for your ID. Just in case your bag does get lost, you can put some information in there to get it back to you. So next for my carry-on bag, I pretty much have everything I want to take in my suitcase. But what I love about this bag is I can use it all week when we are on our adventures. It is called the Darter Backpack, and it's super awesome because you can actually roll it up when you're not using it and put it into your suitcase or store it anywhere. It's super flexible, but it's also super durable. It's perfect for hiking and just outdoor activities, but also traveling. The large main compartment has adjustable drawstrings, and the top flap buckles down to keep all of your stuff safe and dry. It's extremely lightweight, so I'm taking my necessities that I definitely want with me on the plane. That is my iPad, my cell phone charger, a portable battery. It even has a pocket inside the backpack for your laptop. This is a multi-purpose sleeve. You can actually hold a hydration backpack in here or a laptop. Just make sure you have a sleeve on your laptop to protect it. Everything you need fits perfectly, but when you're done with it and you don't want to be carrying it around, you can just roll it right up into your other bag. So this is everything I'm taking with me, you guys. I hope I have enough stuff. I think I do. I honestly think I'm quite overpacked, but we will find out for sure because I am vlogging the entire trip, so you guys can go on this adventure with me and we will see how everything works out. I am so excited. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, so you guys can follow along my trip with me. They're all linked down below, but it's just that girl SHAE XO, just like my channel. Definitely come follow my Instagram. I'm going to be doing a lot of stories. I might try to go live at certain places. I'm just really, really excited. So make sure you're following me. Also, if you want to check out this eco gear equipment, I will link both the duffel bag and the backpack down below so you guys can check them out. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited to go on this little journey with me. I mean, I wish you were actually with me, but it's going to be fun for us to just experience through my vlogs and stuff together because I've never been out of the country. I've never been gone for this long. This is truly the biggest trip I've ever been on in my entire life. I'm just so unbelievably grateful that I was invited on this adventure. So again, thank you so much, Eco Gear. I love you guys, and I will see you again in Iceland. Bye!